Use table saw adjustable guard. Always position and use the saw's adjustable guard when cutting. It protects hands from the blade and stops debris from flying. Found in carpentry shops and construction workshops. Wear anti-static footwear. Static-safe shoes must be worn to prevent sparks, essential in areas with flammable vapors or sensitive electronics, common in clean rooms, chemical plants and electronics assembly areas. Close safety bar of chairlift. Lower and secure the safety bar while riding the chairlift. This prevents falls during ascent or descent, seen at ski resorts and mountain lift stations. Open safety bar of chairlift. Lift the safety bar only when instructed or at the unloading zone. Opening too early can cause dangerous falls, located at ski lift exit platforms. Immediately leave the tow track in the event of falling. If you fall while being towed, move away from the track immediately. Staying on the track risks collisions with incoming riders, used at ski resorts on tow lifts and conveyor slopes. Lift ski tips. This sign tells skiers to lift their ski tips upward. It prevents catching the tips on the ground or lift equipment, common at ski lifts and loading areas.